But I've seen a lot of videos where people have done stuff like this, and as they pull the tape away, they've noticed that paint has bleeded underneath the tape. Now I've got a little trick for you of how to avoid that happening to you. This side is going to remain white, this side I want blue. Now to stop the blue from leaching underneath the tape, I'm going to give this, I'm going to apply the tape, then I'm going to give it one more coat of white paint over the tape. So what this will do is this white is now going to leach underneath the tape and it's going to seal all of those holes. So when we go over it with blue, the blue should stay on this side of the tape. You'll probably be able to understand what I mean now. So that white has now sealed all of the little gaps underneath the tape. So once this white dries, I can then go ahead and paint over the blue, peel the tape off, and we should have a perfectly straight line.